Hey, it's Todd Gross. Are you ready for Video Wave? This is the next big thing in video software. First, it finds the right niches for you to make videos about. Second, it actually helps you very quickly create videos with animations in them and voice to text and voiceovers, which you'll be getting as a bonus from me, as a matter of fact, as you'll see in just a moment, and all kinds of cool things. You'll see the full video demo of that in just a moment, a full 10-minute demo. And then the third thing it does is it does actually post. It syndicates your videos so that you will be able to get traffic. Okay, so you're sitting on my bonus page now. Let's go over some of these bonuses. I want to explain them to you, what they are. The first bonus, I actually did two. I did a set of 10 audios, and I'll show you inside the software itself how those audios work in just a moment, because in addition to my providing custom voice clips, unannounced, or I'm announcing it now, I'm actually also have done pre-made voice clips, calls to action, which work with the software. Let me show you what I mean. The main part of the software is a very quick video maker. And when I say video maker, I'm talking about something very special. For instance, you go to video. In this case, I'm going to take some animation clips. So I took this guy right here, okay? And then I went into my media and I uploaded. I pressed this button right here where it says upload. Let me move this over a little bit. See how it says upload media file? So I uploaded one of the actual pieces of audio that I have in a package waiting for you. All right? And all I did is I clicked on that, and then I dragged it into the timeline. And now let me close this and show you where it is in the timeline. Track 1 and track 2. So I pulled that animation of that man right here into this track, and then I matched up my audio where his lips actually move. So here, take a look at the screen right here on top, and I'll play it and you'll see what I mean.
For more information, just click on the link below.
Let's watch that again.
For more information, just click on the link below.
Okay, so there's dozens and dozens of scenes like that where you can take animal characters and human characters, women and men, and actually I've done those calls to action, 11 of them, which I am giving to you as a bonus. Now, we've just scratched the surface of what Video Wave can do. Let's go back to the bonuses. All right, so that's bonus number 1. It's twofold. I'll actually do custom voice clips up to 20 seconds long, 10 of them, and you also get the 10 that I've already done. The next bonus is really kind of amazing. It's taking your YouTube channel and optimizing it. We're going to do that with you. My professional design team will actually create graphics for your YouTube channel. Now, my design team came to me and offered this without me asking, and this is really kind of incredible. So if you would like a YouTube channel that is optimized, you definitely want this bonus because we're going to do that manually for you. The next, and we were only supposed to give you 2 of these, and here we're giving you 20. I don't know how all of a sudden we're doing this, but these 20 high-quality character animation videos can be used inside Video Wave. You just import them in the way that I showed you a moment ago. So you could actually finish your clip with this little guy coming up and saying order now, or download now, or buy now, or subscribe now. All right, so that's great. And then here we have more white label bonuses that I'm offering. White label bonus, video GIF mixer. You're probably familiar, some of you, with these, as I've got this in conjunction with the Explaindio team, and there's a lot of information about it right here. And that includes the sales materials for it, okay? Then we also have the white label bonus for video converter, and the white label bonus for audio converter. The white label sketch line color changer. Again, these all come from the Explaindio team who I've teamed up with on this. The white label for Explaindio video marker. The white label for green screen replacer. There's a lot of white label products. Green screen replacer, by the way, is a very quick green screen editing software. I mean, you just take your video and the green background can automatically be replaced. It's really quite good, actually. I've used it quite a bit. And you get the white label to that. Imagine that. You could sell that. And all these come with sales materials. The white label to 149 full HD 1920 by 1080, that's HD, motion and animated video backgrounds, and then some more things. 18 high-quality stock video clips, YouTube Marketing Secrets, a 15-part video series, SEO Catalyst software, Keyword Genius data pack, Wave Social Campaign Monster, 120 royalty-free music tracks, which you can import right into Video Wave, 20 high-quality stock images. Again, all these images can be imported right in, and stunning animated toon backgrounds. That is your bonus, believe it or not. With all of this stuff, it really doesn't even matter what Video Wave has in it because you're getting so much with the bonuses. But Video Wave, on its own right, is such a fantastic piece of video software. So I'm going to go to the demo now, the 9 or 10 minute demo, and you'll understand immediately why it's so important when you watch it. And after you watch it, keep in mind, my bonus is here only for the first 100. So those that, of course, missed out because of Green Screen Lab a couple of days ago and you couldn't get in on the bonuses, don't worry, you're getting some great bonuses here this time if you're in the first 100. So get ready to move on it. I believe it's 11 o'clock in the morning on the 8th of September, 2016. Here's that demo. Watch what Video Wave can do.
Now we're going to use the magic video ranker part of Video Wave to get our keywords that we're going to use to make our video and upload it to YouTube, and it's going to rank super fast. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to enter the keywords that I already have that I want to see which ones are going to rank quickly. So I just copy and paste my keywords. I paste it into here, and then I click on predict magic keywords. So I click on this button. It's going to do its magic. So we're just going to wait. Okay, so once it's done its magic, what you'll see is the rank quality and the guaranteed rank prediction. So let's say, for example, all these are excellent. So these, if you make a video with this keyword and you put the keyword in the YouTube video, it is going to rank easily, okay? We have good and we have average. So I'm going to go with bee pollen granules weight loss. So I'm going to do that. And now I'm going to go to Video Wave Editor and create my video. Video Wave is such a very easy to use online video editor. So all you have to do is go to Project, create new project, and then you'll be presented with this interface. All you have to do is to add your animations and then your titles. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add a title. So I'm going to click here. So I clicked on filters and elements. I click on titles. I click drag and drop, literally drag and drop, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to right click, edit, okay? I'm going to add text here. So I'm going to call this, let's say bee pollen. Bee pollen supplement review. Okay? So just going to click, drag, okay? I'm going to change the font to something like this. Okay, I can make it smaller by dragging it. Okay, I'm going to change this to white. And then I'm going to hit save. So now, as you can see, I have a title for my video. So I don't want the title to be 40 seconds long. So I'm just going to cut it. So what you want to do is you want to drag this timeline thing here. And then I'm going to make sure you're selecting the title and then click on the cut button. So now it's going to cut it. Now you can delete this extra here. So right click and then left click to delete. Okay. Now I'm going to add some animation that we have. So go to Media Library, click on Media Library, click on Video, and then click on Animation. Okay. So we have different animations available. We have man, women's, we have different cats, we have an old man. So in this case, I'm going to use the woman. So I'm going to click on the woman. So what you want to do is you want to click, drag, and drop. So you just drag and drop it. And that's it. And then hit close. And there you go. So now there's this really great feature that we can use, and it's called adding the voiceover of this. So what's going to happen is I'm going to right click. I'm going to add voiceover. So right click on this right here, and then it's going to show this. So I'm going to left click on add voiceover now. And now as you can see, it has a timer here that's 14 seconds. So when I hit record, I'm going to be able to record my voice for 14 seconds, and that's the length of the clip. So I'm just going to record as an example. Bee pollen dye pills are a great way to get fit. You can use bee pollen dye pills to drink and reduce your appetite very easily. And that's something you should do all the time. Very much. Thank you. Okay, so now that we have our audio right here, what's great about it is that if you play the video, okay, as a preview, you'll see that the audio is exactly the length of the video because we have that 14-second countdown timer, right? So I'm just going to hit play, and as you can see, there's the title. Bee pollen dye pills are a great way to get fit. You can use bee pollen. That's what the audio is right here. Okay, and then I can increase the audio if I wanted to. One of the very powerful features of Video Wave is that you could add YouTube videos that are already online into Video Wave, so you don't have to download a video from YouTube, then re-upload it to an app. You don't have to do that. It's all integrated with Video Wave. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So first of all, I'm going to go to YouTube and get a YouTube video that I want to use with this particular video. Okay, so I found a bee pollen video. So all you have to do is copy the URL, the YouTube URL right here. Go back to Video Wave. Okay, make sure that your indicator of where you want it to be is placed properly. And now I'm going to click on Import Media. So when you click on Import Media, you're going to have 4 options. I want to import a video from YouTube. So I'm going to click this button. And now I'm just going to paste my YouTube URL and click Import Video. So it's going to say, please wait as it imports. And then video successfully imported. So now I can close this. And you can click on My Media right here, and you'll see the video available for you to use. So I'm going to add this video right after the first part of my video. So I'm going to click, drag and drop, and place it here. And again, the great thing with Video Wave is you can edit and cut out parts that you don't want. So in this case, I'm going to cut out the part where it says how to eat bee pollen. So I'm just going to remove that part. So that's where it kind of starts. So I'm going to click on Cut here, okay? And then I'm going to delete this part, right click, delete, and then I'm going to drag this back over, okay? And then you could cut and delete parts that you don't want, okay? Very easy to use, okay? And then here it says the this part, I don't want that, so I'm just going to make sure.
In Walls, Mississippi,
So he's talking.
pollen that is collected from tree blooms. So if you
So I just want to. So I'm just going to cut this part here. Okay, I'm going to cut it. Now you could add another title saying to people, you know, where to visit your site to find more information about bee pollen. So I can do that. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to click on the titles here. Click, drag and drop. Okay. It's going to leave it as the length it is. And then right click, edit. And then I'm just going to paste here, visit my website. Visit my website, www.beepollen.com. Okay, you can change the font again. We have lots of fonts available. Okay, the color, I'm going to change it to white. Click on choose and then hit save. And there you go. And another great thing is you can add different layers, different tracks. So we have the audio track right here, and then we have our video. Now I'm going to add music for the whole video. So I just clicked on add track, and as you can see, there's track 3. So now I'm going to add an audio, a music, background music. And we have lots of background music that you can choose from. You can double click here to preview and listen to them, okay, before you add them. Okay. So I'm just going to add something simple like happy day. Happy day is good, okay? So what you want to do is you want to click, again, drag and drop. So I'm going to drag it and drop it to the third one there. Okay, and then that's it. And then I'm just going to cut this video here, this title, so I don't have it, so I have it synced with the video. And there's my video. Okay, and then one thing you want to make sure you do is you want to save your project. So I'm going to save my project. I'm going to call it bee pollen how to eat. And we're going to click on save. And now your video is ready to be rendered, to be actually made into a video. So what you want to do is you want to click on create movie. And this is really important. The file name should be the keyword that you want to rank for. So in this case, I'm going to go back to my Magic Video Ranker, and I'm just going to copy this keyword right here. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to call my movie, my video, bee pollen granules weight loss. Make sure it's 1080p, aspect ratio is 16:9, high quality MP4 format, and then click on create movie. So now, as you can see, it is rendering and creating the movie. So we're just going to wait. So once the video is created, it will be in the movie list. So just click on the movie list and download the video. So here's my video that I just created. So I'm going to just download it and save it to my computer. And now it is ready for you to upload to YouTube. And we're going to do that in the next step.